Hello everyone, this is James Shore with another test-driven development video. I'm continuing on where I left off, working on extracting the valid dollars class from dollars, and with the ultimate goal of creating an invalid dollars class. It is January 27th for me, and this is probably the last one I'm going to be able to record today. So let's see, we've got this all passing, so now let's just keep on pushing down. We need a percentage. We need a min. Well, let's make sure that worked. Min we're going to leave alone, actually, because min is static. So I'm going to pop that up. I usually put the static methods at the very top. I guess I didn't this time because it wasn't a factory method. Let's see. Is negative, we can just push down entirely. It's not public, so we don't need an abstract. Although that's going to break because value object uses it. And we'll also need these two. Might as well just bring them all down. That's a little bit bigger step, but I think it's going to be okay. If it's not, I'll back up and take smaller steps. Now, I could have sworn I brought rounded off pennies. Oh, convert that to a dollar, valid dollars. Okay. So, now I'm going to rename this class. Oh, there's all kinds of errors here, but there's no errors showing up here. Interesting. And now the errors are gone. Okay, that was just a little glitch, I think. We also have an error in here, which is the result of an over-eager search and replace. These guys should have been using spike dollars anyway. All right. I should have tested that because now it's possible that spike code doesn't work, but it's spike code. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. That will cause me grief in the future if I try to do something with it, but I'm going to let the future take care of itself in this case. I would never be so casual about production code that I'm sure to come back to, or any production code is something I'm sure to come back to someday. But with spike code, I'm a little less worried about it. I do want to get rid of that warning though because it's bugging me. There we go. Okay, so all of our tests passing still? Yes. Good. So let's rename this to valid dollars test. And we'll need to make a new dollars test for our factory method. Lovely. Okay, There we go. We've successfully extracted the valid dollars class, I hope successfully, from the dollars class. That looks good to me. And while I'm here, I want to call this toString absolute value or something like that. ToAbsolute value string. There, that's a little bit better. And I think round off pennies belongs up here. Good. And dollars is looking reasonably good. We don't need, well, okay, so we're not quite done. I need to move these two down. And this down. And then that. I don't know why we need that. I guess because it's a or maybe we don't need it. Again, a little bit big of a step here. We'll come back to that one. Yeah, that was too big of a step, but I think I can rescue it. There. Okay, so that's a bit cheesy. Oh, and it looks like we do need to make this visible for the tests. Okay, so the only thing we have left is this min construct. I think what I'll do is just do this. There. That should all still work. Oh, but it doesn't. Okay, what exactly is that error? Oh. There. All right, done. That was a bit ugly. I took bigger steps than I really should have, and it worked out okay, but I was at a pretty high risk of looking really dumb on camera. Not that that's anything new. So, well, now that we've got that going, that took a little longer than I expected, but we still have a little bit of time to do invalid dollars, and that's the part I'm really excited about. So, let's see. I guess I'm going to start by, I could start by doing some parsing and having that return invalid dollars, but I think what I want to do is actually construct an invalid dollars test and start implementing those abstract methods. So let's see if we can get this test up and running. Okay, there we go. And let me go ahead and make, no, let's see, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. So inside of dollars, we've got plus. So let's make plus work. Here's the rule. If we have an invalid dollars which isn't going to take any sort of parameter, so two invalid dollars. Let's do it this way. Invalid dollars. Okay. We expect that the result of that is going to be an invalid dollars. Okay, and we'll have that extends dollars, and it's going to complain. Okay, we expected invalid dollars, so now we should be able to return new invalid dollars. That's not going to work actually. Because we don't have equals method implemented. So maybe the first thing to implement would be equals. Let's do that value object stuff. And actually, there's never gonna, it's not, shouldn't be possible to have let's start with that. So, oh, I've run out of time again. So just close off. Make sure this is, yeah, that's failing properly. So that's where we're going to pick up next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.